Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys phone location setting in our in Samsung phone device. Friends, we want to on guys your Samsung phone guys phone location setting. So how can we on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we on guys phone location Samsung phone device. So guys open your phone setting to on it guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it friends, click on guys your phone location setting guys, tap here friends, you can see guys your location app permission location service guys, you can on from here, and guys you can use from here guys, you can allow guys your apps location from here guys. So like that guys, we can on guys phone location setting guys, and we can use in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to turn on guys phone location in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys, and when do you have doubt guys related to guys your Samsung phone device setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.